Join us for the 9th annual Sounds of Celebration, a global concert of social cohesion, starring internationally acclaimed performers and musicians from around the world. This is one concert you don't want to miss. Support the ongoing sustainability and growth of 19 Education Africa Marimba hubs and 9 preschool Marimba hubs across South Africa by booking your tickets today, and enjoy watching these very special performances from anywhere in the world. Available for on-demand viewing for up to 7 days after the official premiere. Hosted by CBS News anchor Michelle Miller in New York and Education Africa patron David Bloch in Johannesburg. Sunday, 26th of June, 5 p.m. Central African Time. Get your tickets today by going to educationafrica.org. Sounds of Celebration 9, proudly brought to you by Education Africa, celebrating 30 years of making real change happen.